Assalamualaikum and a very good day everyone. This week, week 2, we'll be looking at cyberspace and digital era. We're going to look at the relation between media and intercultural communication. Now, before I begin, these are the two most common diagrams, and I'm pretty sure that most of you have seen this before. The first one is the speech communication process. I need not to elaborate in details on this because I'm pretty sure you have learned this, you have seen this before. The same thing happens when it comes to cultural components. But the idea of having these two images or these two diagrams is to look at how speech communication in terms of new media, they are very much related to culture. So we are looking at the integration between these two and hence intercultural communication. Now, these are the few characteristics of a new media. We have interactivity, we have hypertextual, virtual, we have network, we have simulated, we have digital. And new media, I'm not saying that new media have taken over the existing media available, but then again, slowly we can see the change between the mainstream media towards the new media and the reliance of the mainstream media like television, radio, broadcasting to on the new media. And when we talk about new media, we are practically looking at social media, any new media developed from 21st century. What are the impacts? Okay, number one, a shrinking world whereby pushing and pulling between the two forces of cultural identity and cultural diversity, or between localization and universalization. And then we also have the compression of time and space, the globalization that is universally pervasive, and then the penetration part into aspect of human society and influences the way we live, think, and behave. Yeah. Close interaction, that would be the third impact between or among the or in the society, and also global connectivity and accelerated local or global competition or even cooperation. Okay, so globalization and intercultural communication. So electronic media as the mediator for culture and a tool for intercultural communication, right? So the impact will be based on either relationships or adaptation or even conflict. End of part one.